Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got two wireless adapters that we're going to just quickly compare so that you can make the choice that works best for you. So on the left here we got the Carlinkit, and on the right we've got the Ottocast. So here we have the Carlinkit and here's the Ottocast. So when you put them together, you can clearly see that the Carlink has the advantage in size. It is definitely smaller. And when we look at it, the profile, even the height, it's a little thinner as well than the Ottocast. So let's go ahead and let's do a boot up test to see which one boots faster. All right, so we're gonna time this. As soon as I push the button, I'm gonna start the stopwatch here, and let's see how long it takes to boot up the Ottocast. Okay, from the time that we started it to the time that it fully booted, 54 seconds for the Ottocast. All right, let's go ahead and shut this down and let's try out the next one. All right, and here we go for the Carlinkit. Okay, that first test, clearly the Ottocast booted faster. So without actually turning on the car, we're gonna do test 2. All right, we're running test 2. So test 2, car's already on, device has been plugged in, and now we wait for the boot. All right, so we're right at about 35 seconds. All right, now for the Carlinkit. All right, here we go with the Carlinkit. That one's plugged up, time's running. Booting. And we've got to load at 30 seconds. All right, test 3. Back on the Ottocast. About 34 seconds there. All right, test 3, Carlinkit. About 29 seconds.
All right, so we did 3 tests. We did a cold boot and we did 2 boots while the car was on. So here are the results from the boot, and you can see here that the Carlinkit did good while the car was on in both instances of the test. The cold boot, it took a little longer. For the retail price, you can see it costs a little bit more, but both of these companies usually have some sort of promo running that you can get it for a little cheaper. As for performance, this is going to take a little time to test. The Ottocast has been running for a while. I haven't had any major issues with it. Next up will be the Carlinkit. I'm going to put a little time in with that one, get that tested and see if there are any issues. I know some users have experienced issues with other versions of Carlinkit products. So let's see if this one actually is good to go. So we'll keep you posted on some long-term testing to see if there are any major issues or concerns. But as far as these 2 units, here is a comparison for both of those units. And stay tuned for more. I'll catch you guys on the next one.